waving curlies, and welcome back to another video, or if you are new here, hello and welcome. As promised, here is part 2 of me using the Only Curls line on my wavy hair following my usual wash day routine. As you can see, my hair is already washed, it's in the plop, so you need to go and watch my past self in the shower. Off you go!
Before I forget, I would also like to add a little thing about the shampoo, which is that I really like the colour of it and how pearlescent it is. And actually something that I learned from Mains by Mel recently is that usually when shampoos are pearlescent like this one, it means that they are hydrating, and that is definitely the case with this one, like I mentioned in my last video. I'm not going to bore you with the details of what I'm doing, but instead take the opportunity to speak about the brand, which is something that I didn't really do in the last video. And I want to start off by saying that actually Only Curls watched my last video, which was really cool and exciting, and they left me feedback which I absolutely loved. I am a sucker for good customer service, and especially when I see curly hair brands really willing to help out their customers and give them advice on how to better use their products. And as I suspected, I should have been more generous with the gel. And you'll see later on in this video, I was maybe a little bit too generous with the gel this time round. So I will definitely find a happy medium the next time I use their products. Only Curls are a small London-based company that Lizzie started in her kitchen back in 2016. It is still family run, which I think is so sweet and wholesome. And actually, I think I saw on Instagram recently that Lizzie has not long had a baby. So if you're watching this again, congrats. They are cruelty free, which is awesome, and I know a must for many of us. And of course, they are curly girl friendly. The packaging is bioplastic, and by the way, they updated their packaging recently, and I just love the aesthetic of it, and these pastel colors complement each other so well. And I even painted my nails light blue, and I have a light blue top on to match.
Okay, so this is what my hair is looking like. I'm going to scrunch it out and fluff. My hair kind of still feels a little damp, I think because the weather's getting colder. My hair is taking a lot longer to dry. Today I am using this oil. This is Amaricia. This was gifted to me. It is a Spanish brand. I absolutely adore the packaging. I think it's so elegant and chic. So I've used this a couple times. I do find it hard to get the oil out. This is pure Moroccan argan oil. I normally use like 2 drops, but because this doesn't come out in drops, it's kind of hard to judge how much I'm using. I don't have much of a cast because what I've been doing recently is, as I'm coming to the end of diffusing, I will start scrunching out my cast to kind of get at the damp hair that's still in the cast. Oh, this looks pretty. Does my hair want to part today? Oh god, that looks a state. Oh, wow. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but when I'm touching it, it feels a little producty. So I used 8 pumps of gel. I think maybe that was a little too much. Maybe I could have done 6 instead. But even though it feels producty, it doesn't look bad. And actually, I think sometimes when my hair is like just slightly producty, it helps me to get more volume because I think, oh no, like my hair kind of has more grit to it, and normally my head doesn't do this. I love how like the top layer is kind of like, I don't know, maybe a little looser and kind of more fluffy and voluminous, and then these parts down here are like more wavy and kind of curly. And I had a big chunk of blonde here, and today before I washed my hair I kind of added a little bit more brown to break it up a bit. It looks really good now. happy with my hair today. I feel like the days when I go into my wash day with low expectations is when I actually end up loving it the most. And I think it's because I don't put unrealistic expectations on my hair. I will insert a clip of what my hair looked like the last wash day. Obviously the color has changed since then. If you look at my results from my last wash day, you can see that one side it was in nice clumps, but it was kind of looser, and then the other side was a bit stringy, maybe a little bit more voluminous. So yeah, if you look at how it turned out last time, I wasn't too happy with the results on either side, and it didn't hold up very well the next day either. So I'm really happy with my wash day today. Hopefully I will be checking back in tomorrow just to give you an update on how it's holding up and what it's looking like, what it's feeling like, and I will let you know what I think. Hello, it is day 2. We are having a pajama day today, although who am I kidding? Every day is a pajama day. This is day 2. It's looking a little crazy at the minute. I just took it down while I brushed my teeth and set everything up to record. I think I would say it's probably settled down now, so I'm gonna give it a fluff like I normally would. So honestly, I don't think it held up great. Could be the fact that I used too much gel. It's looking a bit flat, and if it's not looking good today, then there's no way that I can get day 3 out of this. Day 4. I loved my hair yesterday. Today it's a bit so-so, but yeah, what do you guys think? Let me know down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I really appreciate every single one of you, and if you're not subscribed yet, make sure that you do so that you don't miss any other videos of mine. And I would love if you could show your support by giving this video a thumbs up, because that really helps me tremendously on YouTube. And if you do subscribe, make sure to hit the notification bell so that you definitely don't miss any of my videos. I upload a new video every single Friday, so be on the lookout for that. I am your wavy hair content. Thank you so much for sticking around if you are still here, and goodbye. See you next week. By the way, when I'm feeling brave, maybe I'll try and do a video in Spanish. Let me know if you'd be interested. Bye!